To the petty station, or should I say to the natural habitat. Where's Mr. Braps at? Oh, pure strength. You got hot chocolates?
Yeah, we ran out of powder.
No, you're lying again. You run it every day or something?
Yeah, we normally only get sent one pack a day, but if they don't send it to us, we tend to run out. So yeah, we didn't get any sent to us today.
Sad times. I'm gonna have to go Starbucks. That's daylight robbery. Okay. All I can see is him vlogging. It's up. Is that how we look? Do we look that mad? So this is where our friend flew off the flipping ditch and he broke his arm. So go send him some love, guys. Links in the description. Oh. Bit nervous flying down here. Let me go down here, check the road out first. Here we go. Doubles back, this is the problem. Where's he at? Oh, he's there. Bad wheelie. You can't see the turn. Look how sharp that is. Good little road actually. Nice. Pretty good. I don't know if I want to even hit that road any harder than that. That was pretty fun.
There's more to it.
Oh, is there? Yeah. Oh. My goggles! Oh, there's a fucking traffic light! What's going on around here? This is a sketchy, bumpy road. No wheelies for me. Gravel. It's not even there. I bet you cars come flying around here. What's going on around here? U-turn lessons with Mr. Braps. Pretty good little road, it was alright. What else? That's the end of the video, guys. Smash that like button, comment down below, subscribe if you're new. Sub to Mr. Braps as well. See you next upload.